Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here in the corner, and here you have slow motion. So here you can record slow motion videos. As usual, I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin. So let's get it. So let's get another one. Yeah, this one will be better. And now let's check it out. What kind of speed is this? Is this really slow motion? Do you really think it's slow? Somewhat? Okay. Now it seems slower, but I don't know. Like, in my opinion, slow motion should be slower than that. I don't know, I think it's just me. But as you can see, like, toilet paper spins somewhat slower, I guess. So it can be called slow motion. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.